Does this ever happen to dear listener, that your curiosity just doesn't fit into one Perplexity thread, or ChatGPT thread, or whatever thread do you use for your curiosity? Sometimes you want to research many things, sometimes you want to compare things, sometimes you want to run multiple small research projects in parallel and get a table of results as comparison. For you, we've built Perplexity for Sheets, which is an add-on that lets you create a research table for what kind of information you want to find out, and then just let Perplexity fill that table for you. So let's look at how it works in this example. Here we are researching different countries and the main information for these countries that might be useful for a traveler. It's preparing to go there. Uh, and all we did to set up is to write a short prompt, research the country to find out basic facts for travelers. We want to fill capital, currency, and plug type. We list countries, so we have the table, and then we use this research function provided by the extension with your Perplexity API key, with the cell that contains the task, the cell that contains this particular item that you're researching, and then the header that defines actually which blanks do you need to fill with your research. What are the research questions in other reports. And then the research function just fills tables for you. Let's try it on a different task. Let's research London neighborhoods. Research London neighborhood. This London neighborhood because it will research separately each one. And rate it on several aspects. Right, neighborhoods are easy to list. I will just list them with postcodes. Let's just explore some neighborhoods in North London. Will Google Sheets fill it for me? Yes, it will. And let us use the research function. I will need to delete that key after this talk. A9, this is our task. Then A10 would define the neighborhood we're currently researching. And the aspects would be something like we'll need to insert a row for that. Let's say transport, parks, safety, and fun. Now let's see how it looks. I'm actually doing it for the first time right now, so I'm not completely sure that it will work. So this is our header. The header provides the blanks to fill, and we'll let Perplexity do the rest. So it gives you a quick comparison table that I would really love to have had when I was looking for important in London. Usually it's helpful to just say that we want concise answers because, as you can see, there's a lot of text there. In this case, we might be actually happy to read through all of this information. Expand size. So actually be useful. And before I go, I will show you the task that actually inspired this project. There is this bucket list of festivals collected by one of the websites for travelers, which are like the biggest festivals that happen in every country. And I wanted to turn it into a calendar. Because it's actually really annoying if you have a goal of visiting many of these calendars to research when and where each of them happens. So I've filled this table with this festival, and now I just have Perplexity research when each of that happens. So the task is find out in which month the festival will happen. I use the research function to do that research, and I could just fill it for all of them. So, but thanks for listening. I hope that sounds interesting. You know where to find me.